Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by attaching the Magic Eraser pad to the mop handle. Make sure it clicks so it won't fly off. Next, wet the pad with warm water until it's fully saturated, then squeeze out about half the water so it's damp, not dripping. Clear the floor of loose debris and small objects so you can work uninterrupted. Doing this first avoids streaks and maximizes contact. The damp pad delivers cleaning power without excess runoff, so you get efficient lift of dirt right away. Once done with prep, place the mop on a 3-4 foot section and push in straight, controlled strokes. Don't scrub wildly. Use light to moderate pressure. The eraser material is abrasive enough to remove scuffs and stains, and pressing too hard wears it out faster. Make overlapping passes, then flip the pad when one side accumulates grime. If stains persist after a few passes, re-wet the pad and repeat. This method preserves the pad and gives even cleaning across the surface while avoiding damage from overscrub. Finish by rinsing the pad thoroughly, wringing most water out, and making a final pass to remove residue. This leaves an even finish and prevents streaks. Inspect the floor closely. If you see white residue, buff it immediately with a dry microfiber cloth to restore shine. If stubborn marks remain, treat them directly with a handheld eraser or a damp sponge and repeat the mop pass. If the pad disintegrates or scratches occur, stop and switch to a softer method. Replace pads regularly to avoid abrasion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.